So what's the solution? First, remember two things. In order to get more business, you need to be seen online, as 91% of people are looking for a business online. So you need to figure out a way to be seen online. There are usually two good ways: PPC ads and SEO. Unfortunately, both of these are quite expensive and out of reach for most carpet cleaning businesses. So what is the solution? The solution is the pay-per-call advertising by Google, also called local service ads. Don't jump to any conclusions yet. Let me walk you step by step, so you can fully understand why this may be a helpful and a good option for you. See you in the next video. She, SBO.SEO.com. Text me carpet calls to 805-600-3335 for your free ebook.